I am SS Kalaiselvi of ECE department. My register number is 711201060042. I am going to present a seminar on the topic of classification of materials based on band theory in physics subject. The contents are conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Conductors. The below diagram shows the energy level of sodium atom 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 and energy bands of solid sodium. When electric field is applied, then the electrons in the valence band easily acquire additional energy to move to the higher unoccupied energy levels within the same band without crossing any energy gap. The moving electrons constitute an electric current. Therefore, sodium metal is a good conductor. Insulators. The below diagram shows the energy bands of diamond. The valence band is completely filled and the conduction band is empty at the absolute zero of temperature with a band gap of 6 electrovolt. When electric field is applied, the electrons in valence band would not move within the band because there are no unoccupied levels in this band. No electron can acquire energy to cross the forbidden band. Therefore, there will be no current and the solid will be as insulator. Empty conduction band, filled valence band, forbidden band Eg equal to 6 electrovolt. Semiconductors. The below diagram shows energy band diagram of silicon. Here the width of the forbidden band is only 1.1 electrovolt. At low temperature, conductivity of Psi will be very low due to its moment in few vacancies at valence band. At ordinary room temperature, a small amount of electrons in valence band have sufficient thermal energy to cross the narrow energy gap and enter the conduction band above it. These electrons are sufficient to permit a limited amount of current to flow when an electric field is applied. Conduction band containing few electrons at room temperature, valence band with a few vacancies at room temperature. In free electron approximation, ion core is fixed or tightly bound and the electrons are free to move. When interatomic distance between atoms decreases, the energy levels split to obey Pauli's exclusion principle. Hence, wave functions of electrons overlap. Here, potential energy of electron is less than the total energy, that is more kinetic energy. Width of the band gap is less than allowed bands. Here the interatomic distance is less and hence the wave function of electrons overlap. Thank you.